Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to schedule posts with Buffer in 2026. If you want to plan your social media content in advance and have it published automatically, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open your web browser and log in to your Buffer account. Once you're on the dashboard, make sure you've already connected the social media account where you want to publish your posts. Next, click the Create Post button to start creating new content. You can type your caption, add hashtags, include links, and upload photos or videos depending on the platform you're using. Now select the social media channels where you want your post to be published. Buffer lets you choose one or multiple connected accounts at the same time. Next, review your content carefully to make sure everything looks correct. Check for spelling mistakes, image quality, and formatting before scheduling the post. Now click the Schedule Post option instead of publishing immediately. Choose the date and time when you want your content to go live. You can also use Add to Queue if you've already set up a posting schedule in Buffer. Next, confirm your scheduling settings and save the post. Buffer will automatically add it to your content calendar. Now visit the Calendar or Queue section to review all your upcoming scheduled posts. If needed, you can edit, reschedule, or delete a post before it is published. Finally, keep adding content regularly to build a consistent posting schedule and save time managing your social media accounts. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to schedule posts with Buffer step by step. Your content will now be published automatically at the times you choose. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.